Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to automate your trading on MetaTrader 5 but didn't know how to code, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to build your very own MT5 trading robot using ChatGPT, specifically the MetaTrader 5 Trading Robot Builder by MS Tracy. This custom GPT is an amazing tool that helps you generate, refine, and debug expert advisors, EAs, without having to write complex code yourself. So if you're ready to bring your trading ideas to life and start automating your strategies, keep watching. Building an MT5 trading robot using ChatGPT is now easier than ever thanks to the MetaTrader 5 Trading Robot Builder by MS Tracy. This specialized GPT is designed for traders who want to create, test, and refine EAs for MetaTrader 5 without deep programming knowledge. It works with all types of trading strategies, whether it's Forex, commodities, indices, or crypto, giving you complete flexibility to design an automated system that fits your trading style. All you need to do is open the MetaTrader 5 Trading Robot Builder on ChatGPT and describe your trading strategy in simple language. For example, you can say something like, I want a trading bot that buys when the 50 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA and sells when it crosses below, using a trailing stop and fixed lot size. ChatGPT will instantly generate MQL5 code based on your instructions. Once the code is ready, you can review it right inside the chat. If you want to tweak anything, like adding risk management, modifying trade entry conditions, or adding alerts, just ask ChatGPT and it will rewrite the code for you in seconds. After that, copy the final code and open MetaEditor, which comes with MetaTrader 5. Paste your code, click Compile, and your robot will be ready to test. If you get any errors, simply copy them and ask ChatGPT to fix them. It will troubleshoot and send back a corrected version. Once your EA compiles successfully, you can use the strategy tester in MetaTrader 5 to run backtests on past market data. This helps you see how your robot would have performed historically. You can then adjust your settings or logic based on the results. Finally, when everything looks good, attach your trading robot to a live or demo chart and watch it execute trades automatically. Always test on a demo account first to ensure it performs as expected before switching to live trading. The MetaTrader 5 Trading Robot Builder by MS Tracy is more than just a coding tool. It's like having your own personal trading assistant that understands both MQL5 and market strategies. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, you can use it to design professional-grade robots with just a few prompts. And that's how you can easily build an MT5 trading robot using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on trading, AI tools, and automation. Drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover how to optimize your EA or create a money management system next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.